I know this game is old. It's called Make It Rain. It's like I think it was made in like I think it was made in like 2012 or 13. I'm not sure. I've been recently playing it. I really don't. What? The money. Basically, all I do is just do all of this. That adds seconds to here. So, like, every second I'm getting like 10K. So I just wanted to like, then there's this thing called the bucket where you collect money. The maximum I can hold is 1,071,000, and every hour I get like 276K. And all I, like right now I just got 805K. If you wait for it to maximize, you'd probably like get like 26 million. The fuck? Oh yeah, it also has ads, so it's not like the ads pop up too much, but yeah. Yeah, this is just a quick review. Like, you could change the clip. Right now I have a golden clip. I'm waiting for that. The one thing I really want to get is, where is it? Fuck, wait. I think I want to get the diamond clip. Level 13. I'm at right now level 9. Gotta get here. Wait, no, I gotta get here. You can basically do that by, when you're doing this, it's just like a blue bill with, yeah, you saw it. Wait, let me try to. It's like a blue bill with the star. Hold up. There's also like a golden bill. I'm not sure what that's for. See that? Oh. When you swipe fast, look at the 10K seconds. When you start swiping, it adds more. So it'll be adding more to the seconds. See, right now it was at 40, it's 22, now it dropped back. Quick. 22, then goes back. This is where gold mission. These are like missions. There's also this. I'm not gonna play right now. Maybe another time, like if I get 5 likes, maybe play. Well, no, maybe I will play it. But yeah, cause you could hella lose money. Like, play for. If I would play right now, I would risk playing my 27 million. I honestly right now don't want to fucking risk my 27 million. Like, if I lost my 27 million, I would just be within the 70s. Just basically like losing that and just having that would suck dick. That's why I want 5 likes on this video. By the time, I'm guessing by how 30 million, I'll risk that shit just for the fans. That was a quick review. If you think it's fun, download it. Oh yeah, and if you're like thinking you can't change the money, you just right here, yeah, you go right here. And like you can buy it. And it says coffee shop. And then instead of me now having 2K, I would have 5K. I'd be adding like that. I really found that out because mine was like $2. I was like right here, $2. Yeah, well, that was a quick review. This is for the bucket. This is, okay, this one is how much it can hold, how many you get for an hour, how much you can hold, how much you get for an hour, how much you get for, why not? This one, hire a PR person, is capacity, how much you hold. And run for class president is money like 300 an hour, okay. The fuck? These are like, I've never done one of these. I don't know, I'm not sure what they really are. I think they're like bonuses. Not sure. This is a leaderboard. I'm not really, I don't have Facebook, so I'm not sure what that is for. I think it's like how much money they have. And yeah, this is all the money clips. The backgrounds. Blue city, purple city, red carpet, outer space, beach, underwater. Photo shoot? Yeah, photo shoot. And then these are like soundtracks. Here's one in soundtrack side A. So yeah, thanks for watching. That was a quick review. Bye.